All right, well, there's the bumper bouncer. Michael, you have to go out into the deeper area. Go out to the middle. Where that log is floating by. Try it again. Go out deeper in the water, though. Go. This again. I am filming. Hold on. All right, there he goes. All right, there you get a little movement. All right, there's a boat. Here's going to do it again. Hold on, there he goes. Now he's got. Now he's going. Now he's out in the deep part. There we go. Okay, there's the bumper bouncer in the floating in the yard. Oh, there he goes.